Well, what an evening, what a surprise, what an opportunity to test out the low light camera abilities of the Autel Evo Nano Plus. And very good it was too, and very reassuring it was. It doesn't look as big a problem in this film, looking over the side, but you really don't want to be walking down into where fires are burning and running and not entirely sure where all the bits of them are. So this was very handy. The fire is still smouldering, still going out there. Hopefully it won't reach our canoes. If you look on the right hand side in the opening shot, you'll see our canoes down by the waterside and our neighbours. Anyway, this is what 4K Auto Evo Nano Plus footage looks like in low light, say from about 20 minutes after sunset. And the first clip and the second part, there's a very short bit. I ran out of film, so I had to run out of SD card, so I needed to drop in some more. Or get rid of some, I'm tired, get rid of some footage to drop in just a 34-second, but much later, second flight, 1080p. But obviously I was flying around and looking, the actual recording of it wasn't really the end of the goal or end game. It was just to fly around and have a look. Anyway, there we are. How exciting on a school night as well. Look after yourself. See you 2100 GMT every Tuesday, and fingers crossed the lines will still be in place for us to do it tomorrow. Cheers for now.